Want to create YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels with just one mode? In this video, I will show you how to do it using MagicLight AI. And if you want to try it right away, check the link in the description. MagicLight AI can instantly generate short form videos, perfect for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. All you have to do is type a single word or short prompt, and the AI handles everything visual, script, even the voiceover. So why it is great for creators? This is huge for creators who want to stay consistent and grow their audience instead of spending hours editing. You can produce engaging short form content in minutes. That's mean more videos, more views, and more chance to go viral. So all you have to do is just go here for the AI video agent, type whatever the inspiration that you have, and it will produce for you the story. And then after having your story, go story to video, type your story here, and then choose this format to be like short and reels. Choose your video language, whatever your audience is. Choose your style, as I said here, and then just generate. It may ask you to pay some money. You just know you need to buy the standard plan or plus plan, pro plan. It's really so cheap for the service that they are giving for the people. So I really encourage you to do it. So if you want to create endless shorts and reels with any minimal effort, Magic Light AI is the perfect tool. Hit the link in the description. Try it for free and start growing your channel today.